This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. We gave everyone enough time to join, 10 minutes. Usually I don't give this much time, but because this is the first class of your lightning, that's the reason I thought that, okay, let us give everyone an equal opportunity, right? So that they can join the class and then I will start. So 10 minutes is fair time that we have given everyone. Remember that Saturday 8:30, Sunday 9:30. Once again, I'm repeating the timing of this batch. No confusion at all. There shouldn't be any confusion anywhere. Saturday 8:30 a.m. Sunday 9:30 a.m. Saturday 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Sunday 9:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Remember this very well, right? Don't goof up the time. Don't mix the timing. Sunday, tomorrow, class is not at 8:30. It is at 9:30. Today, class should be starting at 8:30, not at 9:30. Saturday 8:30, Sunday 9:30, right? Please, right? Keep it in your brain as well as in the calendar. Now, let's get going and start. The first thing is that I am going to create a separate environment for this lightning. So I'm going to Google those who are first time in the lightning or those who have not been in my class in earlier. If you don't have a developer account, in case if you don't have a developer account, then go to Google, type developer force, right? Right? Go to the developer.salesforce.com. Click on sign up. Click on sign up. Fill this form. Rupam. I'm filling the form. Rupam. Last name Chkraborty. Rupam Chakraborty. Right? Your email address, rupam.sfdc111@gmail.com. Next, your job role, developer. Company name, Capital Info. CAPITL, Capital Info Solution. Right? Country, India. Postal code 50001. Username, Rupam, right? RUPOM, Rupam, @LT123. Your batch ID is 123. Going forward, any communication with me, you'll be using LT123. Your batch ID will be Rupam @ right, lightning123.com, LT123.com. That's your batch ID. I click on sign up. Now, there we go. System is now creating a developer account for me, for which I'm waiting, right? So there we go. You're almost there. Check your email. It'll take a couple of more minutes to receive the email as usual. So let me go and check my Gmail, right? Rupam.sfdc11 and I say gmail.com. It's going to take a little time here for me to get the email, the welcome email. You don't need to do this step. You don't need to do this step. In case if you already have an developer account where you're doing your Apex programming, right? You're doing your, admin courses you're learning, then in that case, you don't need to repeat this exercise that I just did. You can use the same environment for Lightning also. However, I just don't want to confuse with the batches. That's the reason I created a separate environment for you, right? Rupam @LT123.com. LT123.com. Right? I'm now waiting for my welcome email to come in. As I told you, it takes 5 to 10 minutes for it to arrive. Meantime, Let us go ahead and have a quick recap, right? Let us go ahead and have a quick recap. What is a lightning? What is Salesforce Lightning? Can anybody define? Last class I gave you the notes. What is a Salesforce Lightning? What is a Salesforce Lightning? It's a collection of tools and technology. Did I give you last class? Yes or no? During the last class, did I give you?
Yes,
Salesforce
yes.
Lightning is it's a collection of tools and technology. So Lightning is not one tool, it's a collection of tools and technology to provide enhancement to Force.com platform for better user experience, reusability of a component, right? Efficiency, single application concept is called Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements. What are those? Number 1, right? What are those? Number 1, Lightning experience.
Lightning
Number 2, Lightning component framework.
component
Number 3, Lightning design system. In what is Lightning experience? The UI part. The UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. What is Lightning component framework? The development part, the developing a single application concept. The development part, right, to develop a single application concept is called, right,
Lightning.
Lightning component framework. Lightning component framework has 5. There are 5 elements. Lightning application, Lightning component, Lightning application, Lightning event, Lightning interface, Lightning token. Lightning component has 8. There are 8 component, controller, helper, style, re-renderer, documentation, SVG, right? SVG design. Last time I gave you all these. I told you in what we do what, if you remember, right? In component used for designing, JavaScript using for writing logics, helper to help the JavaScript, common program, style for designing and color, right? Re-render for loading at the time of initialization, at the time of loading, right? Documentation to maintain documentation. SVG, scalar vector group to create icon. We don't use this today. Why? Because we have a Lightning design system, right? Now I click on verify my account. This is all we have already done in the last class. I will definitely recommend whoever is joining here for the first day, please go through those videos and then come to this class. CRM1234 hash, right? Password CRM1234 hash. Which city was your first job? Hyderabad. I said change password. I created a new environment, rupam@lt123.com. Right? Now, to do a programming, what I will do, I will click on developer console, setup. I click on setup. I click on setup. I click on developer console. My developer console is now opening. Right? My developer console is now opening. There we go. Developer console. Now, what I'm going to do, file, new, Lightning component. I will start giving proper name. LC stand for Lightning component. LC underscore today's date 25/12 underscore example1 underscore my first Lightning component. My first Lightning comp. I press enter. We'll talk about these checkboxes later. And as of now, no checkboxes. Click on submit. Immediately, system will create a Lightning component. Immediately, system will create a Lightning component. System will create a Lightning component. You can see that, right? It will create, right, description. You can close the description and you can keep the framework active. Aura component. Here we will do our Lightning programming. Lightning programming, within this component, you have component for design, controller, logic, I told you, .js. Wherever you click on controller, it will create, right, name controller.js. Whenever you click on helper, name helper.js. Style, name .css. Documentation, name .auradoc. Re-renderer, name re-renderer.js. Design, name .design. SVG, name .svg. Whatever the name you are giving, only when there is a JavaScript, system will add a suffix, right? Otherwise, system will not add. I'm just closing everything. I'm in component. Now, what we are going to do? First thing that today we are going to see is called how to create buttons. Now, Rupam, what you're trying to do, every task that we do in Lightning will be story-based. It will be a story-based designing. Story-based designing. Now, within two classes by next week, we should be able to deliver one story. What is that? I go to sales module, open account, contact, right? Opportunity, wherever you open, right? Let's take an example of contact. Or let's take an example of account. Let me open account, right? Let me say view all accounts. Let's open one account called Burlington Textile Corp of America. I'm opening an account. I'm taking a screenshot. Wait. I go to the details. Wait. That's the detail comes. Right. Now I take a screenshot. Control Shift P. Okay. I'll take this screenshot. Right. Let me open a paint. P-A-I-N-T, paint. By the way, my system is getting heated up. Just a minute. I will keep something here. Okay. There we go. That should be good. Right. So I will open the paint. Now I paste this in the paint. Right. Now you see this is a lightning design. Right. This whole design is divided into three big stories. Story one, this piece. Story two, second piece. Story three, the third piece. Total, there are three stories. This is story one. S-T-O-R-Y, story one. Story two. And this is story three. In the story one, again, we have work divided into sub pieces. These buttons are one story. This whole piece is one. This whole piece is another. Total, there are three. If the color is not good, then I will take a different color. First one. Second piece. Third piece. Total, there are three things. If I do, then I will get story one. So this is story 1.1, story 1.2, and this one is story 1.3. 1.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.3 will give you story 1. Everybody is able to understand how I am dividing my work? Yes or no? Everybody is able to understand?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Today's class, we will focus on story 1.1 and story 1.2. In fact, we will try to complete 1.1. We will try to complete 1.1 today. By the end of the class, I should have exactly this structure. Today, I'm working on this story, this piece. 1.1, I'm working. Let us see how to create this 1.1. 1.1 is what? It is buttons. Put a heading called as lightning buttons. Lightning buttons. Lightning button. Lightning button. Put a heading called as lightning button. Write down to display button in an lightning page. To display button in an lightning page. Right? There are 4 types of buttons available. Number 1, write down there are 4 types of button available in lightning. Number 1, first one, lightning button. Lightning colon button. First one, lightning colon button. Right? We are in lightning button topic. Lightning button topic. There are 4 types of button available. First one, lightning button. All small, no caps, even L small. Lightning button. Second, 02. Light, no caps, LIGHT. Lightning, BUTTON button icon. I is capital. Third one, lightning button menu. Lightning button menu. Fourth one, lightning button stateful. Lightning button stateful. These are the 4 buttons available in Salesforce. There are 4 buttons available in Salesforce. Lightning button icon, lightning button menu, lightning button stateful. Now let us see lightning button. Whenever you want a button, we use a command called as LIGHTNING, lightning BUTTON button. This is the command. Lightning button. This is the command. Lightning button label equals to submit. That's it. One button is created. Next, once again I'm writing. Next, LIGHTN, lightning button. Name equals to, label equals to, no caps. Label is a case sensitive. Label equals to SUBMIT submit 1. Every button has a default colors available. And all the colors are set with a property called as variant. VARIANT, variant. Variant equals to brand. Variant equals to brand. Variant equals to brand. Next, lightning button. Lightning button label equals to submit 2. Submit 1, submit 2. Variant equals to success. Next, I copy this button. One more. Lightning button label equals to button 3. Submit 3. Variant equals to destructive. Right? Next, lightning button variant equals to neutral. Neutral. Actually, if you don't give a neutral button doesn't make any difference. See, Control S, right? Brand will give you blue button. Success will give you green button. Destructive will give you red button, right? Neutral will give you nothing. It is equal to the first one. If you don't write also, it's neutral. Or base. You can say variant equals to base. Wait, okay, let me take base rather than neutral. Base, Control S. Now I created a component. You cannot run a component in Lightning. Component cannot run by itself. You need an application. File, new, Lightning application. I'll copy the name of the component, Control C. I will say LA. LA stands for application, right? Lightning application. I click on submit. I close the description. I keep the aura only open. Now I call the Lightning component C colon custom. C stands for custom namespace. Namespace colon component name. Here extends equals to. Here extends equals to. Right? Where are you extending? FOR force SLDS. I want to connect this to the Lightning design system. Connect it. Now you click on preview button. There is a preview button here. Click on preview and you get the output. Wait for the output. See, right? Base, submit 3, submit 3. Twice I have pasted. Did I paste it twice? Submit 3. Destructive spelling was wrong. Button 3. Here I'll say button 4. What is the output we got? Button 3, button 3. Okay. Control S. Did I got a red button? No. Destructive. 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 Control S. I go ahead and refresh the page. See? Oh, submit 3 destructive spelling was wrong. Variant equal to DSTRUC. Destructive spelling is correct. Is that correct spelling? DSTRUC.
Yes, okay.
Destructive. DSTRUCTIVE. Right? I should get a red button. Destructive. D capital. Let's say DSTRUCTIVE. Doesn't make a difference. But you can see the button coming up here. Capital. See? Caps. First one. See this button? I'm zooming in a little bit. See the difference between first button and the last button. First button is nothing. It's a neutral. Neutral means a plain button with a structure. Button 1, submit 1 is, what is that? Brand. Variant equals to brand. Submit 2, variant equals to success. Right? Submit 3, variant equals to destructive. Submit 4, variant equals to base. If I give a base, I don't get the border. I don't get the border. I don't get the border. Guys, able to understand everyone? Different types of buttons I'm showing you in Lightning. Right? You want to put an icon? Yes, you can. I can say icon name equals to what? For icon, you have to go to where? Go to Google, type Lightning Design System. Design System. Go to Lightning Design System. We will pick up the icon from there. Click on icons. Click on icons. Tell me which icon we want. We want this bug. Bug is beautiful. See, I'm copying the name of the bug. We want the bug. Bug. Here is bug. 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 I come here. I say utility. colon bug. Last time also, if I'm not wrong, I've taken this only. You can take some other icon also. Icon name. Icon name. I can pick something else from here. I want a call button. I want this button choice. Okay, this looks to be good. Copy the name. See, I said Control S on the keyboard. Saving, saved. Now I come here and I refresh my page. Refresh. See, buttons will come with icons. Buttons will come with icons. I want icon position, left, right. You can use it, right? Icon position equals to right, Control S. Icon position equals to right. I refresh it. Now icon will come on the right side. See, earlier it was the left side. Bug is on the left, but whereas in submit to, you see that the icon has come to the right side. Right? Everybody clear how to create a button? Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions as of now? We are going from basic 0. Everybody clear how to create a button in Salesforce Lightning? Yes, sir.
Yes, Rupam. Can you just show me that
Yes,
LT component.app how you are calling?
Yep, yeah. C colon, the name of the component that I created. C colon.
Okay. So one more thing, Rupam, just like how in earlier when we were doing Apex coding or forms and all, we were getting suggestions, right, while typing something.
No, here you will
So
not
here
get. No.
Okay, it's like
There is no
entirely.
suggestion comes. You are entirely new. You have to by heart. You have to remember.
Okay. Yeah. And
Because
is it case sensitive?
yes, it's 100% case sensitive, and mostly these are not Salesforce framework. These are Aura framework, third-party framework. That is the reason it's not giving suggestion. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear. Thank you.
Anyone has any questions?
Rupam, is
Guys?
there any library for this?
Yes, 100%. I'll show you the library. There are so many there. On click, icon name, icon position, icon size equals to XL, equals to double XL, equals to triple XL. Rupam, what are the choice available? How do I know it's a brand, success, destructive? I will show you the library in the next week class. From where I'm taking it? Yes, there is a library available. Clear?
Okay, Rupam, thank you.
I'll show you, don't worry. Now just understand the basic. Today's class is a basic class, right? Anybody has any question on how to create a button? No. Is it all good? Everyone fine?
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, Rupam.
Everyone, each one of you, remember that if you are not able to understand, don't let me proceed forward, right? This is most important now. Priority 1 is your lightning. Going forward, you're going to put in the resume that you worked on lightning, and you have to work on lightning. There is no other alternative for this. You don't learn lightning, tomorrow you have to learn lightning, because the future is lightning. Every new project is coming in lightning. Remember that. Every company is asking for lightning. Without lightning, you cannot clear the interviews these days. Every company is asking lightning, right? So I will highly recommend to please make sure that you focus here. This is how we create a button. As simple as that, right? What button? Yes,
Can you
Praveen,
show
any
me
question?
once again how to run the command?
We will do it
Components.
multiple times. Don't worry. This is not one time. As I keep on doing, you'll be able to understand. Now, lightning button, done.
Sir, can we
Now,
change the color of the button?
yes, we can. These are some standard colors available, brand, success, destructive. But if you don't like this blue, green, red color, you want purple, you want yellow, then yes, we can, and we will. Using CSS, using style, we can change the color.
Rupam, we can do
Right?
hexacode values.
Can we?
Hexadecimal values.
Yeah, we can use hexadecimal values also, but not in the variant. We have to use in the right in the CSS. When we come to the CSS topic, then we will deal with it.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Any other questions? The next one is, now I'm creating a next. How many types of buttons are there? Lightning button icon. Next one. Let us see. Right? LIGHT, lightning. BUTTON, button icon. Lightning button icon. Lightning button icon. Right? What it will do? This will give me an icon buttons. Right? This will give me an icon. Right? What is an icon? Right? ICON, icon. Let us see first in Salesforce. Okay. Where is that? Shit, I logged off. Login.salesforce.com. Come on, how can? I should be logged in somewhere. Did I not? Yeah, it's there. No, I'm not able to see that here. Burlington Test Corp of America. Right? Here, can you see on the top these buttons? For example, setup. What is a setup? Here, there's a setup here. Setup is a button icon, right? Setup is it's a button icon. Setup is a button icon. See, there is no, when you place your mouse over it, you get, when you place your mouse over it, you get setup. Notification is a button icon, right? Question mark, help is a button icon, right? This is, right? Learning path is a button icon, is a button icon, right? Is a button icon, right? Now, here it is coming just a shape. Remember that whenever you're taking a button icon, right? You're taking button icon, right? Alternative text is must. Whenever you're taking button icon, right? Alternate text is must. Remember this. Now, let me go ahead and write this program here for you. What I'm talking about, right? How to write it. Let's start. Lightning button icon, right? What is this? Alternative text is must. Without alternative text, you cannot save it. ALTERNATIVE, alternative text. Alternative text equals to setup, SETUP. And then I'll give the icon name. ICON, icon name equals to. Now I can go to my LDS and select the icon I want. Right? Here is LDS. I want what setup icon. Setup. I'm looking for setup icon. See? MNOPQRS. Right? QRS. See? Setup icon. My mouse is stopping at setup icon. See? Setup. Control C. I'll come here and I will say icon name equals to UTILITY utility colon. Oh, setup. Didn't I copy it? Control C. Utility colon setup. See? Control S. Go ahead and now refresh the page. Aura. You will get one more button, but only icon. Right? See? With a setup, I got it. Setup. With that, I don't want a label, Rupam. It doesn't should look like a border. I don't want the border. Then you take it as what? Base. Change the variant. See, whenever you're taking variant equals to base, you get a borderless button. See? Lightning button icon, alternative text is setup, utility icon name is utility setup, and variant equals to base. Saving it, refresh, variant equals to base. Oh, it didn't work, right? The variant equals to base didn't work. Sometimes, remember that, sometimes, right, your all the commands variant are not always same. Sometimes there are different variants. Here it is not base, it is bare. Variant equals to bare. Control S. Early for a button it is base, for a button icon it is bare. Now I press refresh, it's bare. See, the border is gone. For a button it's base, for an icon it's bare. There is a difference. Here borderless button is called base, borderless button icon is called bare. Bare will give you without border, bare. Getting it? If you don't use bare, then you will get a border. See, button icon, right? What else you can? This is called button icon. Once again, I'm creating for you. Lightning, 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 BUTTON, button icon. Alternate text is must. Suppose I'm not giving alternate text, I'm giving icon name. Icon name is equals to, right? What are the things that I want? Let us go to the Lightning design system. Which icon we want, right? We want, right? Every type of icon is available. Whatever the icon, we want the notification icon, Ghanta. So it will be notification. I want a bell icon, right? Same as Salesforce. So look wherever you find that icon. So it will be somewhere at notification. See, here will go. I'm copying it. Notification. I will say utility, UTILITY, column notification. Control S. I'm saving it, right? While saving, you'll not get an error. Now, when I come and refresh it, I'll get an error. See, error has come. See, this page has an error. While saving, you'll not get error anytime. You write anything, it'll say. While you're executing, it's see, component missing required attribute alternative text. I told you alternative text is must. Alternative text is must. See, whenever you are using a button icon, alternative text is must. There is no sequence. You can give in any sequence. Alternative text equals to notification. This is must. This, right? Two are alternate text is must. Now you go ahead and refresh. You will not get the error. See, you got a notification. You got the notification. You got the notification. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Anybody
Yes,
has
sir.
any component, any question? Now this is right button. I want smaller button. Can I have a size? Yes, there's a command called as size. Size equals to. I want small of the smallest. I will say X small. The smallest size. This is the lowest size available. X small. Right? Now I go ahead and you see, I'll press enter. Right? The button size will become X small, very small notification come. It has actually, right? Even when I see it, I might not feel it. Right? X small or X small. Small. I want small size. The button will become small. Did it save it? Yes. Right? A small button will come. Oh, no, it has not taken. Size equals to small, right? X small, right? XX small. Let me take it. Double X small. XX small. This is the lowest if I remember. Yes, this is the lowest. Let me go ahead and press enter. Lowest. See how the icon became. Can you see? It became small. See, icon became so small. Small icon you are able to see because I said equals to X. See, now I will show you the without size, normal, medium. Without size is medium. I'm not using a size command. Same button, guys. Two buttons I have placed same to show you the difference. Control S. I come and refresh here. Press enter. See the difference between the two buttons. This is medium. And the other one was I control the size, small. This is medium. This is small. Both are same. You can control the size. XX, double X small. Here no size. By default it's medium. By default it's medium. You want to make it big, then the only one command is available, large, 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 for large, right? For large, you can say size equals to large. That's it. Small, medium, large, small, X small, double X small. That's it. There are 4 choices. X small, double X small, medium, large. Over. You don't have any other choice. Medium, you don't have XL, double XL, triple XL. No, not available. Right? There are only this 5 choice available. Medium, small, X small, double X small, and large. Only 5 choices. Everyone clear how to write a button icon? Everyone clear how to write a button icon? Yes, everyone?
Yes, Rupam.
Anyone has any question? Right? If you not able to understand, please do let me know. I'm in the basic. I'm trying to complete this basic as early as possible because we need not to waste time in this basic, all these things. Right?
Hey, Rupam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the difference between brand and bear? Because both are it's working as the same. Then
Brand
they
and
one is
bear?
there.
No. There's a difference. Brand and bear has a difference. Brand will give you blue button. Bear
Okay, what
will
about
give base
sorry?
and bear.
Yeah, base and sorry,
No
my bad.
difference. No difference.
Then
Base is the
why they have
keyword.
given?
Right, because in button you use base, in button icon you use bear. That's it. You cannot use base keyword there. That is the way it has been designed.
Okay.
Clear now? Now it's okay? Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
That's it. That is what I told you, right? That is what exactly I told you. Clear? Right? Right? Shall I go to the next button? Is it all okay, everyone?
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
The next button, right, is a menu button. Keep focusing. It's a menu button.
One more question, please. Sorry.
Yes, please. Go ahead. No problem. Why sorry? Go ahead.
Okay. Here, alternative text, whatever we are passing icon name, it's a setup or notification. If
Correct.
it should be same, or if we can pass the even some text also.
Where? In the alternative text or no? It
Yes,
can be anything. It can be Rupam.
it can be
Alternative
anything.
text equals to, it can be anything. Rupam CHAKRABORTY. In case system is not able to contact SLDS, in case, worst case, SLDS server is down, then immediately that will be changed to this Rupam Chakravarti button. So if system is not able to pull the icon due to the worst case scenario, immediately the alternative text will be displayed. That is the reason alternative text is must. That is the reason alternative text is must. Why alternative text is must? Because in worst case scenario, if the LDS Lightning Design System server is down, in such case, what system will do? System will go ahead and system will display this alternative text, right? Perfect. Now the
Right.
next button, right? Lightning, right? Menu, button menu. Lightning button menu. Lightning button menu. Here you cannot have a self-closing. Earlier, lightning button starting and you're closing there itself. See, at the back you're closing. Here, you cannot close here itself. No, you have to have one closing, one opening, one closing. Because inside the menu, you have to write menu items, right? Lightning button menu, right? Here also alternative text is must. Immediately by default, system will show a drop down arrow, right? Alternative text is must. Alternative text equals to, you can give anything. Alternative text equals to Ravi. Alternative text is must. Every button menu will have menu item, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-G, lightning MENU menu item, and this will have a self closure. Lightning menu item. Label, here it's not, it's label. Label equals to SFDC, or I will say Salesforce. Sales, F-O-R-C, force, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning. Whenever somebody clicks on it, system will return the value. Value equals to value, V-A-L-U-E, value equals to, right? Value equals to SFDC. This is equal to, exactly equal to where? We are doing in the Visualforce page, Apex select radio, Apex select option. Label is what is displayed. Whenever somebody clicks on it, the value will be SFDC. With this value, I will understand where did he click. If now I will write a controller, and in the controller I will say if, right, value equal, if, right, value equals to SFDC, then launch a rocket, else do something, right? This is the choice, this is the value. How many menu items like you want, you can keep pasting inside it. Exactly like a select radio, I will say Microsoft.net, MS.net. Whenever somebody clicks on it, it will return me net. Anything, it will return me net, right? I will say SAP CRM. Whenever somebody clicks on it, system will return SAP. I will say greater number. I will say greater. Whenever somebody clicks on greater, immediately system will return G. I will say if choice equals to G. So how do I know whether he clicked on greater? Because system will return me G. I will say smaller. Whenever somebody clicks on smaller, right? Smaller. SMALLE, greater number, smaller number. SMALLE, smaller. Then system will return S. Control S on the keyboard. Now I come here. I refresh. I will get a drop down there like this. When you click on it, automatically the choice comes. When you click on it, see Salesforce Lightning, MS.NET, SAP CRM, right? Like this, it'll come. Right? Everybody is able to understand. Right? Everybody is able to understand. Now, Rupam, can you do a little bit more? Yes, sir. Why not? Let us do this. Right? Let us do this. Right? Rupam, right? Can I classify these menus, Rupam? Yes. I will say greater and smaller as number. What does that mean? Keep watching. I'll do something. These three are IT courses, whereas the last two are calculations. Something like a greater number, a smaller number is a calculation. Then I will use lightning, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning, right? Lightning menu subheader. Keep watching. Oh, no caps. L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning, M-E-N-U, menu, right? Menu, S-U-B subheader, H-E-A-D-E-R. Lightning menu subheader. What is this? See, you can keep it in straight line, but I'm just taking one indent out so that you can understand that this is something different. Label equals to CLCULATI on calculation. Here also, I'll go little outside. What is that? Lightning, lightning menu, 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 SUB sub HEADR header, lightning menu subheader, right? I will say label, LABL, label equals to, I will say TCHNOLY, technology, TCHNOLOGY, technology, Control S. I saved it. Now you come and see what happens. I press enter. I click on this and you see under calculations, you cannot click calculation because calculation is not a menu. It's a header. It's a subheader. Technology is a subheader. Inside the technology, I have Salesforce, Microsoft.NET. There you are getting hand to click. Calculation, greater and smaller. Calculation, greater and smaller. Guys, able to understand what is the subheader is doing? Yes.
Yes, Rupam.
Everybody clear? Right? You have to remember these commands, guys. I'll give you, don't worry. Right? Button menu, how to write. See, this is the way you will write the button, guys.
Rupam,
Not, yep.
Ravi
Yes.
is populated whenever the site is down, right?
Whenever site is down or whenever you place your mouse, see now it's not coming. Or here, see notification, setup. In the setup, when I place my mouse, it will say Rupam Chakravarti.
Okay.
Or whenever the site is down, let's make the site down. Let's make the site down.
Rupam.
Right? Wait. Just a minute. I'm making the site down. I'm not at all calling the site. See, Aura application. Not at all calling means this application is not able to connect to the site, not able to connect to the SLDS server if you don't extend it. So now what will happen? You see the outputs. See, Ravi has come. See, whenever the site is down, what happened? You see, this is now site is down. All the alternative text visible. Alternative text, Rupam Chakravarti got visible. This icon became so big, right? These are HTML supported. So that's the reason. But there are certain icons which are not there in HTML. For example, let's scroll down, right? These icons, color icons. Okay, account. Account is in Salesforce. It's not there in HTML. Suppose you would have used this icon, standard account. Then if you're not able to contact the site or the server, then here alternative text would come and the logo would have not appeared. See, here Ravi is coming up now. See, when you click Ravi, menu comes. Under technology, you get a hands. Calculation, it's a header. If the site is down, by knowingly I made the site down. Now I will say, okay, let's correct. EXTENDS extends to force SLDS. Now I'm connecting to the extending this application to force SLDS. Now I will go ahead and I'll refresh it. My site is up. Everything has got formatted in a proper way. Clear, everyone? Yes, somebody has a question?
Yes.
Right?
Rupam, what is the use of value? Like, is it like, will it display?
You are there in the Visualforce class,
Yes.
right? You are there in the Apex class. In the Apex class, greater number, smaller number. How you're calculating greater number, smaller number? When somebody clicks on greater, how will you understand? How will you tell the logic that you clicked on greater?
Okay, okay. We
There are
have to connect that to the program, right?
controller. We have to pass that
Okay.
to the controller.
Okay, okay.
So when time comes, we will pass it. Now, out of so many choices, you clicked something. How the program will know which one you clicked? When you click on ms.net, immediately this click will return an event. And with the event will get net will go. Oh, if net, then throw a phishing net. My logic will say, go and throw. Immediately machine will open, extend, it will go to the pond, it will throw a phishing net. So that's the value. As of now, just keep it aside. This is the way we declare. Label is what is visible. When you click on it, this is what it will return. Return to whom? To platform. Okay, where is the platform? That we'll all talk about. Who will pick up from the platform? Who will collect it? Who is the collector? There's a collector who will collect it. Then I'll store this in a variable. And then I will say, if that variable is equals to net, then right, do this. Whatever you want to do. So those all controllers we'll see in the next class. Today's class, I'm not going to the controller. Rupam, what happens when I click this button? Now nothing will happen. You click, 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 submit one. Nothing is happening. We will write the logic later. And the logic is not Apex. Here the logic is client-side controller, not server-side controller. All the programming calculations will happen in the controller. Where is the controller, Rupam? Here it is. Controller. Here I will write. Here I will write the program. Not Apex class. We don't use Apex in Lightning. That is the reason it's a separate course. Why it's a separate course? This is the reason. We use only 25% Apex, 75% we will use a separate. So all these calculations we'll do in the next class. Right? This class I'm just teaching you some basic buttons. Clear now? Everyone? Right? Now, button state and stateful requires a little bit of programming. We will do it later. Right? So, button state, the fourth button, I will do it later, not now. As of now, for today's class, to create story 1.1, I'm enough. We all can do it. Can we all do it? Can we complete story 1.1 now?
Yes, Rupam.
So story 1.1 consists of button plus menu item. We know how to create a button. We know how to create a menu item. And I don't see the buttons are in red color, green color, blue color. So I don't need to use any variant. I need to use an icon, a plus icon. That means I have to go to the right Lightning design system and I have to look for the plus icon. Right? So now let's completely do this. Right? Those who want to take a screenshot can please take a picture. I will not give you the program, right? Because if I copy paste this program, nobody will write the program. I want you to type this program with your hand and finger. So take a screenshot. You want to take a pic of it. Take a pic of it. Take a pic of it. Done? Everyone? Screenshot and pic is done?
Yes, true.
Yes,
Now,
Rupam.
take a pic of the application. Guys, everybody is able to understand yes, sir, or no, sir. Anyone, every member of the class is important to me. Remember that. Each one of you is important to me. Right? Please, for the sake of God, if you want to get a job in Salesforce, right, and that's with a high salary, please focus. If you're able to understand 60-70%, that's enough. From where this icon name is coming, how do I know whether I have to write a brand or I have to write variant equals to Rupam, variant equals to success, variant equals to destructive. All these, as you do, it will be all clear. So don't worry about it. Anni clear అయిపోతుంది. Today you might be confused that okay, ఇంకేం ఉంటది? Okay, variant ఉంది, ఇంకేమైనా ఉందా? Right? Variant rocket equals to, right? Kick equals to, right? Chicken equals to, mutton equals to, అలా ఏమైనా ఉందా? We don't know, right? And all these will clear as we do inside. I'll show you. So if you're able to understand the basic, you're good to go. Perfect. Now I'm closing it. I'm creating one more file, new lightning component. What is that? LC underscore today's date 25/12 underscore example2 underscore, right? LIGHT light BUTTON button story 3.1 story 31 right? Button light button 31. I'm creating a component. Submit. Now let us see what we need actually. Burlington's textile corp. I need follow 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Perfect. So you just come and say lightning button. Lightning button. Label equals to follow. FOLLOW, follow. I'm going and checking follow. There's a plus sign. Go to the lightning design system, right? Plus sign. Look for plus sign. Plus అంటే ప్లస్ ఏ ఉంటుంది. P MNOP QR MNOP. P అంటే పైన ఉంటుంది. It will be somewhere in the top. MNOP. I'm going to P MNOP here. There will be plus sign somewhere. PLUS. Plus or add. It could be add also. It could be on A also, right? This plus is not that plus. Let's go up. I'm looking for the icon, the similar icon. So many icons are there, see, in the dictionary. Central alignment, no. Bold, no. It should be add. Perfect. See, this is exactly there in the Burlington plus sign. Follow. Now I am saying lightning card. Sorry, lightning button. Icon name. I see you an icon name is equals to UTILITY utility colon add. Perfect. Next. What are the another? Right. Next. Press enter. Lightning BUTTON button. Label. Somebody please do remember the labels. I'll go that. New contact, new case, new note. New contact. New contact. Next, I'll copy this. New contact, new case, new note.
New note.
Perfect. After that, what I have?
Menu.
Right?
Lightning button menu.
Button menu, right? So you know how to create a button menu now. I've already shown you, right? So we all know how to create it. So let's go. LIGHTNI. Lightning, right? Lightning. What is the command? Lightning button menu. Lightning button MENU. Lightning button menu. You cannot have single. You have to split it. Alternative text is must. ALTERNATIV. Alternative TXT. Alternative text equals to. Let us see in the Burlington when you keep your mouse over it. Any text is coming up? No. Okay. By the way, new opportunity, change owner, check for new data. Remember that. These all we have to put it. So alternative text equals to MENU, anything. Inside that, we will have a menu item. LIGHTNING lightning, MENU menu item. This is the command. Lightning menu item, right? Label. What was the first label? What was the first label?
New opportunity.
New opportunity.
new OPPORTUNITY. Whenever somebody clicks on it, value equals to new OPP. Next, like this, how many are there? So many are there, right? Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Next, what is the next one? Does somebody remember?
Change owner.
Change owner, check for new data. Remember that change owner, CHANG, change OWNER owner. Check for new data. CHEC, check for new data.
Submit
Right.
approval.
Next, submit for approval. Okay, submit for approval. SUBMIT submit for APPROVL approval. Then you have edit EDIT. Now you know. Whenever somebody clicks on edit, system will return E. Whenever submit approval, SA, check for data, DT. You can give anything. Change owner, CO, right? Finally, we created it, right? Remaining menus you can add later. Your wish. Let's not waste the time on that. You know now how to add. It's just copy paste going forward. Now I click on File, New Application. File, New Application. I copy the name. I change it to LA. LC stand for Lightning Component. LA stand for Lightning Application. Right? Now, for every component I'm creating one application, which is wrong. In real time, 300 components can be called in one application. You don't need to create a separate application for calling component. You can call all the components in one application. But it is just for your understanding, I am creating all applications side by side. Otherwise, one application is enough to call all components. Can I call more than one component inside an application? Yes, sir. See, extends equals to force SLDS. Now you go ahead and click on preview. Right? Take this screenshot and compare. Control C, come to the paint, Control V. Is it looking same? Yes, but only difference is that if you see the difference, new contact and new case are body to body touch. New case and new note is body to body touch. Follow and new contact, there's a gap. But after that, all the three buttons are body to body touch. But in our case, it's not body to body touch. We did same thing, but little 90% correct, 10% incorrect. How to make a body to body touch? What is body to body touch? After follow, all these buttons are body to body touch. Whenever you want to have a body to body touch, that means one button should touch the other button, then you use a command called as LIGHTN, lightning, BUTTON button, GROUP group. What is the command? Lightning button group. Whenever you cut this and I put inside the lightning button group now, see, I have put inside the lightning button group. Then all these will have body to body touch. Except follow. Follow, I kept it outside. Control S. Now I go ahead and refresh. Can you see body to body? There is a gap between new contact to new case. New case, there's a gap, right, to new note. Can you see, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, next time when I refresh, there'll be no gap. Body to body touch, see? New contact to new case, no gap. New case to new note, no gap. We have put in a group. See? Guys, able to understand? Everyone? Everyone able to understand?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now you see, I will take the screenshot. I'm taking the screenshot, sorry. What is my screenshot? Control Shift S. That's not coming.
Windows Shift S.
Windows Shift S. Haha, sorry. Control Shift S. Hey, then also it's not working. I took a screenshot. Windows Shift S. Yep. Now it's coming. See, now I copy this and I go ahead and put in my story. Control V. Now you compare. Is it looking same? See, apple to apple,
Yes,
100% same.
Yes.
By today's end of the class, you were able to build, right? Today you are able to build so see, end of the class, you are able to deliver what we started with. Story 1.1 is now delivered. When you click on it, you'll get the same menu. When you click on it, you'll get the same menu. See, new opportunity, change owner, check for new data, right? Submit for approval, edit. You get the same thing. Getting it? Finally, we are able to deliver. Tomorrow's class, we will complete this 1.2, 1.3, and we will deliver this one piece. So, because wherever you go in Salesforce, this is common. You go to account, you go to contact, there also it's common. See, I'm going to contact. I'm opening one contact, all contact. I open a contact called Andy Young. See the structure? అక్కడ కూడా ఇదే ఉంది. Whether it's account, whether it's contact, this structure is same. See, here also same thing. New button, submit for approval. Little bit buttons are changing, but structure is same. Able to understand what I'm saying? Everyone,
Rupam,
whether
if I
you go
want
to,
to write, then we need CSS, right?
no, we'll do it. No CSS. We have Aura set. Tomorrow we will see how to push it to the right side. We will deliver full-fledged, 100% story will deliver. We don't need to use CSS here. See, this is from contact. I'm pasting it. Same structure. Now I will open account. Same structure. Right? Control C. Right. I'm copying the structure, guys. I'm come here. I come to my paint and I paste it. See, the first one was contact, second was account. Do you see it's all same? I go to opportunity. I open opportunity, any opportunity, all opportunities. I open some opportunity, Burlington text, something. I'm taking a screenshot. Rupam, how to create this checkboxes, right? I will show you everything, guys. Nothing, no stone in lightning will be untouched in my class. Right, see? Do you see a similar structure now? You take a lead, they're also same. Everywhere is same. It's a Salesforce common structure. All open leads, anything. I'm just opening Petra Boxer. You see that? Right? In Salesforce, the structures are standard. How can the structure can be built? That is what I'm showing you. See? Whether it's contact, whether it's account, whether it's opportunity, whether it's case, whether it's lead, the structure is almost same everywhere. The structure is almost same everywhere. Everywhere towards the right side, you have a set of buttons. To the right side, you have a set of buttons. See? Here, set of buttons. To the right side, there is a set of buttons. Here, this is a story we delivered. Here also, buttons might be changed. Here also. See? Everywhere the structure is almost same. Buttons might change here and there. So we delivered this red quiz today. Guys, everybody is able to understand, yes or no? You're getting a confidence now, right? By the way, to let you know, we are not even in 0%. Don't think that you got lightning. This is nothing. It's a huge ocean now. You will do so many things. Rupam, this looks like similar HTML program. Yes. But going forward in another 2 class, this programming will be less. We will be all in the controller programming. We all will be in the helper. We all will be in the styles. Styles also less. Controller and helper. Here we will write the logic. This is the Apex programming for Lightning. Here we will write the Apex programming. We don't write Apex, we'll write JavaScript programming. So going forward, see classes, right? Designing will be less and logics will be more. That is what I'll be doing. When you click this button, what should happen? You should call a logic. You should call the logic, and that all we'll see in the next class. In next class, we will be covering, we'll be delivering in the half of the class full story 1. We will deliver full story 1. That includes story 1.2, story 1.3. 1.1 is already created. Then we'll join all the pieces. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? Whatever I'm teaching here, you guys are able to follow up? Yes or no?
Yes, Rupam.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Those who want to take a screenshot can take a screenshot now. No need. You already know this, how to do it. If you have the previous exam.
Okay.
Right? That's it for today. We will stop here. Right? Tomorrow, your class would be from 9:30 to 11:30. 2 hours class. Saturday 1.5 hour, Sunday 2 hours. Saturday 1.5 hour, Sunday 2 hours. Total 3.5 hours. Right? Once again, Saturday your class is at 8:30. Sunday your class is at 9:30. So tomorrow class is at 9:30, not at 8:30. Tomorrow Sunday 9:30 class. Clear everyone? No question, no confusions, nothing. Right? That's it for today. Tomorrow we will meet once again with the lightning and we'll complete the story, and tomorrow we will learn more commands. Today what we have learned? Today we have learned lightning button group, lightning menu, lightning menu item, lightning button icon, right? Lightning menu subheader. These are the things we have learned today, right?
Yes,
I'm not
Rupam.
giving you the notes. Remember that in lightning classes, I will rarely give the notes because you'll get a printed material. In lightning classes, the way in the classic, I was giving you one command, I was giving you notes, right? Apex, right? Command button, Apex page block. But here I'm not giving notes because I would like to utilize, I would like to utilize the complete time on full programming. 98% programming, 2% theory in the class going forward. You will see that in the whole 2 months, you will not even complete 20 page because I'll give you a course material where everything definition is there. So in the class, I will tell you the importance of each one of them, right? But I will not give you much notes. I'll give you very less notes and we'll focus only on practicals. Lightning classes are fully on practicals, right? So that's it from my side. I believe everyone is good.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a nice, yes, tell me.
This Murali.
Yes,
Rupam,
tell
one
me.
more question.
Right,
What is out
Murli
of
first,
box
madam,
functionality?
Murli first. Yeah, Murli, tell me.
Rupam, good morning. Your class is very good. Actually,
Thank you.
I need I have some query regarding Salesforce career. How can I reach you personally for
You
10
cannot
minutes?
reach me personally. You cannot reach me personally. It's, if you have anything, right, you can ask or you can talk to my admin. They will be helping you.
Actually, I contacted your admin, but a small doubt regarding Salesforce career.
Tell me, go ahead then. If you can ask, right, you can do so.
Yeah, actually, I'm working as an assistant professor in engineering college for the last 10 years. So I want to switch to this Salesforce development environment.
Perfect. You're in the right place. You're in the right place. You'll put a fake experience. As simple as that.
Actually, right now I'm 40. There is is there any problem or that is?
Age is not a factor. Age is not a factor here. You need to show the experience, right?
Okay.
Saying that you have been working on this, and for the last 3-4 years or 4 years, you're working in Salesforce from XYZ technology, and this is the way you'll proceed.
How can I show that experience? All these things. That is my
all these things Institute will guide you, right? The whole market is like that, so don't worry. That all Institute will guide you.
I have completed PD1 actually.
Okay, that's good. No, so you can put in the resume that you are PD1 certified. You are right. So 100%. It will not be that difficult.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Right. Perfect.
Thank you.
No issues.
Thank you.
Next. Yes, lady.
Hi,
Somebody
Rupam.
was asking.
What is out-of-box functionality?
That's a CRM. Out-of-box functionality is Salesforce CRM, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. In the Marketing Cloud, campaigns, leads. In the Sales Cloud, it's opportunity, product, price book, product, price book, quotation, orders, contract, invoices, service, cases and solution. This is called out-of-box Salesforce, out-of-box functionality.
Okay.
Right? That is done in the regular classes. Your trainer should have shown you, right? How to create a quotation, how to activate a quotation, how to print a quotation, right? How to create a price book, how to create a product, how to link a product to a price book. Whichever batch you belong to, if you belong to my batch, then I have did this in my batch. If you belong to some other trainer, then I can't help. That's called out-of-box Salesforce functionalities, or out-of-box Salesforce is Salesforce CRM. That is the reason you see a banner called Salesforce CRM, Salesforce CRM. That is nothing but out-of-box functionality. When you create a custom project, you have an option to choose. Do you want anything from the out-of-box? No, I want to create everything from zero. The way in my class, I created the hospital management, the hotel management, the airline management from zero. No, I want to use case. Why should I create zero? I will create, but I would like to take something from out-of-box also. So yes, you can have a mix solution also. Clear? So please contact your respective trainer. They will guide you on that. Right? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Rupam, I have did this programming and I have got the field integrity exception. So what is that? I mean, like I did everything correct. Like I don't know.
No. Field integrity expression is somewhere your caps is on. Somewhere you have taken a caps up, cap down. That's it.
Okay.
So check it out. It's a very case sensitive. Compare each line. Remember that it's not like Apex or a Visual Force that you make a caps up and down, nothing will happen. One small line will give you integrity issue. That means the command is not recognized. It's a caps issue.
Like, I mean, when I get this error, do I need to think
there
like
is no way? There is no way to debug. JavaScript doesn't have a debugger.
I'm not sure if it is in the application or if it is in the component.
It is in the component. Application is just showing it. There's nothing in the application. What is there in the application? You're calling the component itself with C colon.
Yeah.
C colon. If you're calling it correctly, if you're calling C should be small. Colon, the component name. Make sure that the name of the component is case sensitive. It's correct.
Yeah, it is
just right with a backslash close. Extends.
Yeah.
The keyword is extends. Force SLDS.
Yeah.
Then there is no issues on your application. It is in your component itself.
Okay.
In the component, somewhere you might have made B caps, or if, for example, in item, you might have made I small.
Okay.
So that's
It should be
in item you might write I small. I should be capital here. So integrity issue.
Okay.
Right? You might have made I small.
I did that. I made
See, I told
I
you.
small. Yeah.
So that's happens first time, no? So you might have
Yeah.
made I small in the menu. You might have made M small in menu. You might have made M small. Remember that.
Oh, all
So
these are
all these
caps?
things. Yeah.
Okay.
Second word. See, button group G is caps. First is
Okay.
small, and then group G is cap. Button button is small. Menu button menu is cap. So be careful, right? And slowly, after you start getting error, then you'll understand. Amma ni amma.
Yeah, I
Sorry
was
to use
writing
that,
everything in
but
small.
that is
You
the
told
way.
like it is. Okay.
Sorry, it's a wrong word, but that is the way your expression will come.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's
Each,
fine.
right? Each and everything. Right? Remember that I is capital in menu item. I is capital.
Yeah, till now I
Right?
didn't recognize that. Everything I wrote it in small. So I think I have to make
Menu.
everything,
You have
every
to,
second word
right?
cap. Yeah.
But any second word should be caps. Button, if it's button, small. After button, if I say rupam, then R should be caps. Button rupam, but R should be caps.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
These are the standard methods.
Yes, sir. We can create our own custom. We will do everything. Right? These are
Rupam, LWC we can write in Visual Code, right? Same program.
Sorry?
LWC, Lightning component.
LWC can write anywhere. It's a platform, independent. Lightning Web Component, it's a universal file. You can write it in Visual Microsoft ASP.NET also.
Okay.
It's a DOM. It's a DOM and Java. It's clearly HTML and Java. HTML plus Java is equals to LWC. Simple word. Every language support HTML. Every language support Java. So you can LWC you can write anywhere, and that is going to be the future. Now let's not talk about LWC. Let's focus on Lightning. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Thank you, guys. Right.
Thank you,
Let's
Rupam.
meet tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Goodbye,
Thank you.
Rupam.